Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI Taxi app inside today we need to create here the trip detail screens we need to develop here. First of all we need to create here the app bars, then after we need to create here the pickup drop address we need to print this here, and then after we need to print here the maps we need to like this, and after we need to displaying here the trip price total amounts, and also need to payment success status we need to displaying here, and also need to set here the trip total times and trip total distance, and then after the date and times, service types, trip types, and also need to user ratings need to display, and also need to create here the receipts and trip fares we need to displaying like this UI and to get inside the Swift UI. Let's start how to write down here the this UI. First of all we need to create here the first of all we need to go set this menu trips we need to need this here the horizontals bars we need to first of all the copy this here, and now we need to create homes inside we need to create here the new files and to here the titles as trip details. Let's create here replace here, now we need to here that stack let's here stack this here. Now we need to share the like this sets. Also need to share the sets, and we need to set this here binding. Need to set this like here the sets. Also need to give this here the titles. Need to create some that stack. Here. Share this value. Also need to share fields. Now need to go inside the login OTP and need to it's this here titles, and to put this here and to gets sets, and after scroll view you stack to set this here. Also need to set here the navigations and to here. Now I'm waiting for the loading this UI. I need to first of all check this here the app bars. Now this is the displaying goods, no any issue. And now we need to set here the our one by one. So we need to these codes and here first of all so need to go inside the trip request and to copy this here this value needs here, and we need to paste this here the inside this, and also need to create here the angle here first. White also need to set this here RAM right sets it is not good, need to set here. Now this is the also need to set this here here and sets is good. Now this is the display also need and to sears already given sears. Now we need to create here the maps. First of all need to go inside the run trips and to copy here the state variable and drop here. Now to set the details sears, and now we need to go first of all and to set the spelling issue. We need to set this here, set here, set here equal to need to see here double here this bot sets. Now need to go inside the run trips and need to copy these maps, and now we need to go inside here details also in here app kit, and now this value also need to set this here the RAM, this here height, this here the screen width, set 6. Now I am waiting for the loading these maps. The issue with this map. Sets sears, let's now need to now we need to set this here the bottom page to set this here sets, and now we need to get here horizontal step. Set here spacing, like this sets, and now need to sears. Also need to set this here top like this sets. Also need to set here the extra bold, and we will need to set this here. Sears, copy sears. Now need to value sets, text to here like this set sears, and to displaying like this UI. Now first of all ask me to now sometimes comment this codes for because my screen are the sometime are the not record need to stuck, that's why I need to sometimes need to comment this map view codes. Now we need to create here the titles, copy here sears and set here center. Sets and to see the titles. Made by cache like this sets set here in here secondary text sets here sets. Also need to set here the bottom like this sets. Now we need to create here the stack. Space. Need to set this here 0 sets. Now we need to the divider and to create, and now need to develop here the horizontal stack. Like this. Now need to create here the center line. First of all need to, then after need to the things set here colors light gray. Also need to set this here the frame, give this here the width as a 1 and to height, so need to give this here the 18. No needs here the alignments, need to sears. First of all so need to here the duplicates, create this icon titles buttons. We need to create duplicates, we need to copy this here and to set here files here titles subtitle creates copy here and to sears. Also need to remove and to these buttons inside the go inside the details, and we need to set this here the title after time sets, copy here and to sears this value, and now need to set here the miles 5 miles like this, set as a distance. Sets. And to now waiting for the loading this UI or the displaying good this here, but we need to create here the another things. We need to this here the headings, copy here to paste this here as a set here. It sets. Now need to create here the another things. You need to put this here titles. Need to first of all go this here combinations. Copy here. Now we need to create another common UI. Create new files and to set this here the titles subtitle row like this creates. Now we need to paste these codes and need to set horizon. Also need to put this here set here. Also need to set here some padding. Set here the horizontals as we need to globally as a 20, and after need to set here padding here vertical. Set as the goods, but another types we need to define here colors of the text. Now need to set this here the primary text, and another things want to wait font names. To extensions here. That is here the regular. This here this way. Like these sets also need to set here, and to also set here colors like this sets here. Now this is the displaying good this here this UI, and now need to this inside is our trip details. Suppose need to paste this here titles it time like this sets here, so need to and to sets. Remove this here, also need to copy here. Now need to set here the service type sets, and to give here the titles as a sedan. Then after need to see here the type, and to see here the titles as a need to set here the normal like this sets here. And now need to create here the divider like this sets. Now need to set here padding horizontal here here. We need to give this here the bottom padding as a 8. We need to set this here. Then after we need to set here the hashtag like this. Now we need to set here and to titles add sets text here name, sorry, adding like this sets here. Now need to copy here here set. To set here semicolon. Give this here the name son sets, and also need to create here the user image shares. Give this here the name rider user profile. Also need to set here the size level. Now need to scale to bit, and after need to set here the frame. Give this here, and also need to create here the rating bars. Need to develop this here the defines here stack here spacing 0. Now need to create here the for each loop id sets need I sets all self here I of in. Now need to define here the edge and to set as a system name r dot fill, and also need to set this here the foreground or the fill these colors. Sets primary have colors, so need to set this here this displaying here, and also need to see here for colors light gray like this displaying here, and this value, and also here. Now we need to create here the another parts. We need to of this here. First of all, to minimize this. Let's here the another stack like this sets. Now we need to create here stack with the spacing in. Now we need to create here the rectangle lines. We need to draw for the them like right here fill. And after we need to see here frame. Give this here the height. Need to see. Now we need to set this here the text. Section font here system font. Start in sets color. As I need to pass here primary text sets. Now need to them width and here. Also need to set this here set those padding. That's now need to get here the paddings as of to past here the horizontal. Also need to set here the here, and now need to set this here as a here white colors. Now need to see this here to reflect this UI and to displaying like this our UI. Now this is the displaying good, and now need to this here this title and to it's over the receipt view. Now need to first titles need to set this here prepare and to give this here value. Sets here. Also need to this here the colors. Set as a colors, you need to set this here the secondary text past years and look like this here display. So need to copy here and to it's for the XCP. Set as 20. Copy here's another text fields need to develop here this text. And to set here the bottom. Another things up these years and set here 400s. Copy other things you need to set here the discount. Sets and here sets and sets. Now we need to set here set it sets. Also need to create here sets. Now need set this here. Something like to tag set this value. Also need to set this the color. Now need to use the font weight. Set this here the semi-bold. This is the good for this here. Don't see it. Look like this here the displaying, but we need to get the bottom insets, extension methods to all these here. Also need to copy these titles. Here boards. Now need to sets. Here the sets here. Set this here the text. Font size into the like this sets, and also need to done. And look like this displaying here this UI are the creating done. And to one more things, we need to set this here as a app and comment. Now I am waiting for the loading this maps here, and need to set this here. Now this is the displaying good this here, this UI. No any issue with this here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.